Hello, hey everyone. Up to check on the birds and the goats. Oh, hi to you too, baby. You guys want to come out for a minute? It's raining and we got snow. Look at that. Snow. Oh, you want to come out for a minute? I don't think Rue's going to come out. He can't walk in the snow. Come on out, buddy. My goodness, what was that all about? No, take a bath, Mom. Gotta go back inside. Because Whitey's in the doorway taking a bath. Rue, what's the problem? You want to come out, my boy? I'll train you to walk in the snow, eh? Oh, that's a no way. No deal. He hates the snow. You want to come walk in the snow, baby? You want me to bring you out? Okay, then I won't. We'll check on the boys now. Can I go check on the boys? You're such a good little boy. Trixie, can I come see how many you got there? Oh, it's not. It's like 5 degrees in here. Are you going to let me check and see how many you got there? You got... No, you can't sit. No. 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 You're just sitting on them now. Okay, so... Okay. So she can't be sitting on hags. I just counted 5 hags there. But there's neither one from Whitey. So... That tells me off 6 of them are laying again. Okay. Buddy! I took them from her. No more babies. Nope. There's Priscilla over there. No, I gotta take those into the garage now. I'm gonna leave the door open if you wanna come out for a little walk in the snow. That's my boy. Oh, she's gone in there. She's too young. I know she's not laying. Might even be a rooster for all I know. Haha. Just coming out. Okay, let's just... They'll keep talking to me all day. Bob? You want a peanut? Would you like to have a peanut? He's chewing away. I gotta go see if there's any mouse droppings still. They seem to be disappearing. Ooh. Oh. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay. Mr. Peanuts. And I gotta check this. Oh, it looks like it wasn't touched. And that one looks like it wasn't touched, so that's a good sign. As long as they're not still coming in. It's my nice, look at that, nice clean eggs. Oops. So, oh, that's a small one. But I know that little girl's too young to be laying, so. Wow. Beautiful. So, no, I don't see no signs of mice droppings, which is good. Take care of our baby girl here. Everything looks good in there. Yeah. Go check on my girls now. Oh yeah, hang on 1 second. Sorry, baby, I'm coming. Ooh. I'm sorry, I didn't forget you. But you know the girls is gonna want one too now, right? Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Mom, just give it to me. Hey, buddy, couple for you. I'm gonna choke you. Oh, see? I told you. The girls are coming over. Bob, I think that's the last one. There's the last one. Here. Good boy. No. Where you going? You're going to get Rue all upset because he can't come out. You guys got pumpkin seeds. You don't need peanuts. But you can have peanut later, though. Yeah, later. I had plans for today. But it's raining and we got snow. I didn't see snow in the forecast, but we got it anyways. Now it's pouring rain, like I said. Girls, don't go up there. Whoa, look at the baby. I missed it. She flew right from there, over there, from the door. Bobby. I'm saying it's a hen, but it could very well be a rooster. It's kind of hard to tell yet. You coming? Ooh, he's gone to bed. Unless she flew back and I missed it again. Oh, they're all coming back. Mama came, they came. Come on, baby. Who's lagging behind? Who's lagging behind there? I can see ya. I just can't see your face. Come. Red! Get over here. Rue, I'm not going to put you outside, buddy. No. You don't have to hide from me. You don't want to go out, you don't have to go out. The only time you got to go out is when I clean in the coop. We already talked about this. You're so handsome, though. Yes, you are. You're such an handsome boy. Look up. Look up or I'm going to pick you up. Rue, I'm going to pick you up. You don't look up. Higher. And Priscilla. Ain't he beautiful? He's just... What? Is this something you need? Come on, Ed. I'm not going to pick you up, I promise. Come on, baby. They all came back. It's ready. Well, I think I need a new one. Yeah, what a lousy day it turned out to be. But you know what? It's worse in the States than it is there when it comes to the weather this year. I watch all the farm shows from down Missouri and Oklahoma and Tennessee and Texas, and oh man, you get some bad cold days and lots of snow. He's coming out again. Come on, Roo. Chicky Jakes. Baby, you didn't lay yet. Don't pick my finger. No. I'll give you some seeds later. I'm going to put you in for the night. I'll give you your seeds. They don't bother. It's in that box. They don't bother with things anyway. Ain't they beautiful? Yeah, I'm going to walk over here again. Now you guys all going to stay there? Don't tear that up. Priscilla. It's the poop catcher. There's no need of that, see? But she's too young. Uh-oh, here comes the crows, guys. They're late coming. Oh, and the birds are up there. Oh, the crows are down by the house. I already threw them out some seeds. I feed the crows because to keep the mice away too. They help with the mice. See them grab a mouse and take off with it. Yeah. Well, all the snow's coming off of there. And the birds. So we've been building a piece on here, I think. The run, that is. Gonna go off the corner there, out to that pole and over this way. Try and give them more grass. And then I planned on putting grass seeds on this side and putting a grate over it where they can't dig it up, and they'll always have grass there then for the summer or next summer if it works out. Yeah, get the big boys up there. Big boy down there. Oh, there's two. There's two of them. Up in the tree. But yeah, it's nice. It's not cold anyways. But it is raining. Snow will be all gone before we know it. Yep. What do you think, Bob? I would let you out, but Daddy's on today, and if you look down and see him in the window, you guys are going to go down and tear the corner off the house, right? That's what you like to do, tear the corner off the house. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not Hank, though, just Bob. Bob's a bad boy. Nice of that. It's beautiful. Where you going there, Whitey? You go in and lay. I didn't get one from you yet. I don't expect too much out of her. She's an 8-year-old bird, maybe 9. 8 for sure, or could be 9. Yeah, because this is 6th year now for me having her. And he said she was around 2 or 3 when he gave her to me, so. Where's the other 2? There's one of them there walking there. And the one, yeah, those 3 are older birds. Probably 8, 9 years old. And the other 3 is by 3 years old. And the baby came this September. No, I got nothing, I told you. No. I would take you out, baby, but I got the phone in my hand. Taking your picture. You're so pretty. Yeah, you're so pretty. Yeah, so is Red. You're so pretty, ain't ya? Yes, you are. Yeah. I would take you up too, but if I do, Rue's gonna get mad at me. She likes to get mad sometimes. Anyways, I'm gonna go over to the garage now and have a smoke, like all good moms do. Yeah. And have a sip of my coffee. Anyways, oh my. She's still up there. I don't know what she's doing. See if I can get close to it. Let me see. It might be a rooster. Someone else might know. There's the mom. Actually, that's the mom. It was her egg that hatched. She hatched it out. And then the whole gang, all of them wanted to be a mom to the one little bird. Yeah. I kind of think it might be a rooster because it keeps looking like it want to jump up higher and higher. Yes, boy. What's the problem? Do you think Priscilla is a boy and we're going to have to call her Patty? What do you think? Wouldn't that be something? That would be something, eh? See, that's what makes the mess in here. You gotta come up with the vacuum again, look. Wow. I used a hash. One for the stove for up here. It's so dusty. Mom's got nothing in her pocket, baby. You're coming over for no reason. There's nothing in my pocket. She thinks I got something in my pocket. Anyways, that's it for the story with them. A beautiful bird. Hey, my brew. Oh, here goes the crow. I missed that. Anyways. I'm going to leave your door open because I'm going over here. I'm going to be up here with you for about an hour today. I'm just going to go over and, like I said, have a smoke, a cup of coffee, and come back and poop and scoop again before I put you up for the night. She's going to come with me anyways. She'll follow me.